friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Wit. I'm Whitney and today's video is a Dollar Tree haul, so stay tuned. Be sure to stay tuned after my haul because I will be sharing some footage of all of the cool new items that I saw at the Dollar Tree. Obviously, they have way more cool things and new things than I should probably buy, which is good, and cut myself off and stop just putting all of the things in the cart. But I did want to share with you what they had, so then that way for some of you that say it's a longer trip for you to get to a Dollar Tree, then you can kind of see what they have before you make a trip out. Obviously, not every Dollar Tree has the same things, but just kind of as an FYI, I feel like that's why we all watch these Dollar Tree haul videos anyway. First thing that I grabbed that I am so excited to share with you guys are these travel dressing containers. Now, I don't use them for travel dressing containers. That seems kind of crazy. I wouldn't want to clean that out like every day with dressing. However, I use these as travel toiletry things. They're silicone, the top opens and shuts. They're really a great size. They're TSA approved size and they squeeze really easily so you're able to get the liquid out of there. I use this for shampoo, conditioner, face wash, body wash. I put makeup remover in here, literally a ton of stuff. I've used it on multiple trips, multiple distance of trips. I've even taken these when we went to Jamaica on our honeymoon and they work so well. Up next are these Kiss set of nails and glue. Now, I've used these before, but I bought them at Walgreens and they were like $4.99, $5.99. And a lot of times it's hard to find the short nails. So I was really excited to find these. The color number is 74366. I don't know if that means anything to anyone, but they're like I don't know, like a pinky color. But I thought these would be really good for the winter. I like that they're the short length, so I don't feel like I'm gonna like gouge my own eye out. And also I grabbed some Super Bond nail glue. So for $2, if these work, these would be amazing. I will be sure to try these out and share what I think on my Instagram. So check me out over there. If you aren't already following, I share a lot of stuff as I'm shopping, tips and tricks, etc. But I will try these out and share them. I was excited to see these TGI Fridays instant potatoes. We just eat them a lot at our house, and usually at the store they go on sale for like $1.49, even sometimes at Aldi. So these I was excited to see for $1. So definitely at the Dollar Tree. I don't buy a lot of food, but I make sure to check the date. So if you're finding name brand items, be sure to check the date so then that way it's within the window that your family can eat them. Now into home decor, I grabbed 3 packages of this table scatter that's 50 pieces. I've seen a lot of people do some really cool DIYs with this, so that's why I bought this. I got 3 containers, and the DIY I have in mind with this is gonna be super easy, so I'm so excited to share with you guys. At first I thought they were gonna be squishy, because I felt them in the store, but they're not. They're like solid plastics. I also have been on the hunt for these little milk jars that Dollar Tree has. I've seen them all over the place online. And I have seen them in the store before, but I hadn't had like a use for them or figured out what I wanted to do them for. Of course, now that I have a DIY in mind, I can't find any, but I think I can make the one work. So it just says milk by Heritage Company. No, dairy milk, if I could read, by Heritage Company, and it has a date on it. So it looks very farmhouse, very like rustic-esque. So I've got a DIY for this in mind coming up soon. Also in the Valentine's Day decor, I grabbed 2 signs. One is this like chipboard with this raised Valentine's burlap sign piece. It almost looks like it's like planked wood, and it's chipboard. So I'm gonna do a DIY with this, and I originally had picked up, they had these hearts that were just unfinished, but they were very thin and a lot smaller than this. So for what I'm using it for, this was a much better deal for $1 than those. This is definitely not my aesthetic. Nothing wrong with it if it's yours. It's just that mine. So I'm gonna make this over as well. So I love to grab things that I can make over and very easily. So if you DIY along with me, grab some of these when you're out at Dollar Tree because I've got projects coming up. Also, I grabbed a heart wreath form situation. I've literally changed that idea about 12.5 times since I've purchased this, and I changed it about 3 times before I bought it. So who knows what this is gonna turn into. So stay tuned to find out what I'm gonna make out of this. I also grabbed these little craft bottles that look like mason jars. I thought they were super cute, and I was like, I can find something to do with these because they're very cute. I also saw this notebook and I was really excited to grab it. This is something that I feel like you buy at Target or Paper Source. It's super cute. They had a lot of different options too. I think 3 or 4 options. So I'll insert a clip to show you what they look like at the store. I love being able to incorporate Dollar Tree faux floral, and my goal is always to make it look like it's not from the Dollar Tree. These I absolutely love. So these are lavender, and for each bushel, I guess, if you could really call it that, it's small, but each little chunk as 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 little lavender pieces, so 5 per each, and then I grabbed 5 of them. So I have a definite DIY in mind for these, and I'm so excited to use them because I think this muted purple works really well in winter decor and can also transition to Easter and spring. So I'm excited to get some floral in here, brighten up my space, especially because it's looking a little wonk since I took down all my buffalo check. And also these guys will be coming up in a DIY that I'm so excited to share. So that is everything that I picked up this week from the Dollar Tree. I'm so excited to get cranking on these DIYs for you. And now, without further ado, let's check out what's new at the Dollar Tree. so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Leave me a comment. I love to interact. Follow me over on Instagram so you don't miss all of that stuff. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! I've got a bunch of different ideas, but obviously there's some that are traditional, and then there's some where I bought too much crap, it's falling off my bed. Ay, ay, ay. Dollar Tree gets me every time.